You come on memify.fun. This website lets you create, personalize whatever website you want to launch. Let's say we just input our ticker here. We go next. You can choose the templates, basic or classic. Well, let's say basic. After that, you can edit content. Click edit content, project name. Let's say, get the fuck out of here, dog. Twitter, you can link your Twitter, you can link your Telegram. Here is a ticker. Here is that's not contact address. You can input description of your meme coin. You can upload images. Let's say for logo, you go here, go to Dogecoin, and Dogecoin. That's it, bro. That's all you have to do. You can mess around with templates, choose whichever you wanna like. Personally, I prefer the classic one, and that's it. You just click on buy now, and you can get it for 0.02 Sol, bro. That's like $5. You know how expensive it is to actually create a website? To hire someone to do it? Yeah, $5 is nothing for a website. So after doing all of that, you're basically good to go. Now all you have to do is upload maybe some videos to make your meme coin known into the community, or do anything you like, bro.